Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. These are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with gain x 1200. This is gain x 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame. I'm using the 3M trend Mioka trading indicator to do my analysis right here. So if you are online right now, or probably if you're having this trading tool, you can also tag along so that we do the analysis together. So this had been on downtrend for a while. Okay, from here we milked it down to this support region, tried to go back on uptrend, but had this pullback, was unable to break out from here, so it went back up again, still had another pullback, still unable to break out from there. So this is the support zone. If it breaks out below the support zone, definitely it's going to sell more, but if it does not, it should switch into an uptrend, and we expect it to buy more at that point. Okay, so we are waiting for it to switch fully before we can set the entry point, and of course highlight some key areas for as our TPs. Okay, but for now, because it is still on downtrend, so it is selling, even though it's, I don't expect it to sell for long, because it should buy right from the support region, but we just need it to switch to an uptrend before we jump into the trade. Okay, now the next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. This is GainX 999. This had been on downtrend for a while, but it got to this support zone, and it's a major support zone. It's supposed to go fully into an uptrend, tried to go into an uptrend, but later on it came back down to break out below the support zone. And you know what that means: once there is a breakout, it goes in that direction for a while. Okay, so you need to target the next stop in order for you to know when it is most likely for it to switch over to another trend. So in this situation, it broke out from the support region, so the next support region is what we will be looking at. So this is still very much on downtrend, and it is still selling. The next asset is going to be PayNext 1200. Let's check it out together. This is PayNext 1200. I remember very well, I dropped the signal in the Telegram channel. It all started from this resistance zone. Okay, since it's unable to break out above it, and it started selling. TP1 achieved 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's so amazing. I'm really happy about this. Congratulations to those that are in the Telegram channel that actually picked this signal. I also analyzed it in my video today, and of course it was a successful trading activity. So I'm already preparing for an uptrend. That is if it does not break out below this. Okay, so if it breaks out below this, then definitely it will keep on selling. So I'm waiting for it to get here to see if it does not break out below it, and if it's going to switch into an uptrend before it gets to this region. Okay, so this is very, very important, but for now this is selling, guys. It is still selling for now. So let's check out PayNext 999. Okay, still on 15-minute time frame. This is PayNext 999. This is another beautiful trade which we had. Okay, and of course this this happened to be our entry point and our support, our stop loss, which is also the support zone. And of course, guys, it went straight, got to this region, had a major pullback at this point, and of course it has got into all this region right now. TP1 achieved, TP2 achieved, TP3 achieved, TP4 achieved, TP5 achieved, TP6 also achieved. That's amazing. It's heading towards TP7. Congratulations to those of you that actually pick this trade together with me. Okay, congratulations to you all, because we've been waiting for this particular trend for a very long time, and we got it. We finally got it, and that's so amazing. You can see how sweet it is to use this strategy. Okay, so that is this is still buying at the moment, and it's a good one. Okay, and of course FX volume 80 is the next one, and it's going to be the last one. And of course guys, I also dropped the signal for this particular one in the Telegram channel. This had been on downtrend for a very long time, but right now it's trying to switch into an uptrend, even though it's taking so much time around there. Once it breaks out above that, then I believe it's going to buy more. The only reason why it's not going to switch into an uptrend fully is if it does not break out below, if it breaks out below this support zone. That is the only reason why it will not buy. Okay, so this is very, very important. So I expect more buying opportunity right from there. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before you try them out on your real account. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.